In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the right VLC app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So to download your VLC app on your Android smartphone, it's pretty simple. Just go to Play Store, and when you get to Play Store, go ahead and tap on search up here. So type in VLC, and this will take us to VLC Media Player for Android. Now go ahead and tap on VLC for Android here. And at the time of recording this app has over 1 million reviews with a rating of 4.5. The current size of this app is 32 MBs with over 100 million downloads. So to download and install it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the VLC for Android app and then install it on your smartphone. Once installation is done, now you can go ahead and tap on open. And also, if you go back to your apps, you can see VLC is here. From here now, you can go ahead and tap on it to start using it. And all you need to do is to grant permission and choose whether you want to access to all standard media or access all files. And now you may want to allow access here. And that is it. So that's how you can download and install VLC Media Player on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.